Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our madrasa. The name of our madrasa. It is Al Madrasatul Islamia Darul Habib Dhaka. It is famous of our area. Many students come here and religion and general education. It's claim and nice which study will. The innovation main of the madrasa. There are many classroom and office room, a prayer hall and a library. The madrasa Lila boarding and orphan they get free food and lodging. About 75 students read in this madrasa. Class start at 8 am and break up at 10 am. There are 7 experienced high quality teachers here. They teach us English, Bangla, Quran, Fiqh, Math and other subjects. Our madrasa every year arranges exam, sport and other culture every year. Our madrasa head is a honest man. He takes us and madrasa manner. Our madrasa occupation and active position imparting religion. I love our madrasa and I pray of them. We pray of Allah. Our madrasa very good and very beautiful. Become will know in the future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.